This young wood mouse is ready to leave her burrow to make her own way in life. She travels up to 1 mile a night, searching for the right spot to dig her own home. This grassy field will do nicely. But out here, she's dangerously exposed. A lucky escape, and she has another problem. She's just an inch off the ground, and this field looks the same in every direction. Getting lost could prove fatal. Despite having a brain the size of a pea, she does something very clever indeed. She collects objects and makes her very own signposts. Something no other mammal, apart from us, is known to do. While foraging, she keeps check on her marker until her network of waypoints expands across the field, allowing her to roam this featureless landscape without getting lost. It's sat-nav for wood mice. And when she needs a swift escape, she knows just where to go. Safe.